I have had a fascination with sharks ever since I was a child, despite being from a small landlocked village in North Yorkshire in England. One of my earliest memories was seeing a photo of one in a marine life book that belonged to my grandma. It was of a grey nurse shark on a night dive, with its long pointed teeth illuminated by the torchlight. This captivated me, kinda terrified me, and began my obsession. 3 years ago, I'd moved across the world to Baja California Sur to start my PhD research project on sharks. Little did I know what I would find only a few metres off the shoreline of Cabo Pulmo National Park, over 1,000 black-tip sharks, Carcharinus limbatus. Cabo Pulmo National Park is a community-driven marine protected area where a ban on fishing has allowed fish populations to recover. This now healthy and diverse coral ecosystem has welcomed top predators back, like sharks, which Pelagios Kakounha have been studying since 2011. Blacktip sharks grow up to 2.5 metres long, have a sharp pointy nose and slight black edges on their fins, hence the name blacktip shark. Using drones, we can see the sharks from a bird's eye view, which allows a revolutionary new way to sample areas which would otherwise be out of reach. From 100 metres, I can observe the sharks without disturbing them, and I've discovered that these huge aggregations are only here during the winter months. So where do they go for the rest of the year? Using satellite tags, we have tracked their migrations outside of the protected boundaries of Cabo Pulmo National Park. In late spring, they migrate north, up into the Gulf of California, as they follow cooler, more productive waters. We also tag sharks with acoustic transmitters that emit a coded sound. This sound is detected by our array of underwater receivers, and we can see that year after year the blacktip sharks return to Cabo Pulmo in winter. Unfortunately, many of these sharks don't make it back, as they are caught by the artisanal fisheries that target sharks for their meat and for their fins. It is estimated that 100 million sharks are killed worldwide each year, with many of these also caught as bycatch in fisheries that target other species. By creating marine protected areas like Cabo Pulmo, we can prevent these perfectly evolved creatures from being fished to extinction.